One Delta flight, 4 military jets, and just seconds to avoid catastrophe over Washington, D.C. On March 29, a Delta A319 had just taken off from Reagan National Airport when alarms in the cockpit began to blare. The pilots were on a direct collision course with 4 U.S. Air Force T-38 Talon jets. Traffic alert. Immediate action required. The Delta jet, carrying 131 passengers, was climbing straight into restricted airspace. At the same time, the Talon jets, high-speed military aircraft, were slicing through the sky from Langley Air Force Base. What happened next was a split-second save. Air traffic control issued emergency instructions. Pilots reacted instantly, and a deadly mid-air collision was narrowly avoided. The FAA is now investigating what went wrong. Was it a breakdown in communication? A coordination failure? Or something far more serious? In one of the most tightly controlled airspaces in the world, how does something like this even happen? Experts say near misses like this are becoming more common and more dangerous. This time, everyone walked away. Next time, we might not be so lucky. What do you think caused this close call? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more real aviation stories that keep your heart racing and your feet on the ground. Hit the bell so you never miss a moment in the skies.